crier.
Hello po.
Cry daw, sample daw. Shout out Raisa.
Favorite Eugene song? What's yours?
It's such a hard question, especially I forgot songs. Can you lag song? What are the songs in Eugene's Gani?
Get Up. Get Up. I like that.
Oh, I remember. Oh, Hurt. I like Hurt. Hurt. No.
I was watching your interviews on Grab. It's really fun. Got the song before.
Oh.
And you're like, and then Atichi was laughing.
What did I know?
So there was a song like before the song that you describe your journey, but there was like a question in the song. And you sang a song and then I think you know the lyrics, then you're like,
Ay, sorry, so lutang talaga. I can't remember songs right now. Journey, minor. If you think it will make sense.
Kasi na-happen yung journey niya when she was a minor.
Favorite Beanie songs? My favorite Beanie song is Lagi. Lagi na umaangin. Hello, Rain Rain, go away daw. Kyrie in that date well. Real good question, good question. Kailan na? Yeah.